Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about ants. You see, this is an ant hill. My dear little friends, do you know what is an ant hill? It means the underground nest for ant. Friends, now you can see the ants pile soil outside the entrance, forming a large mound. Ants are a kind of social insects. They like to live in a group or colony. Normally, they live in trees and underground. There is a queen ant and she rules the other ants. Now friends, go to the garden and there you will be able to see an ant hill. Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Happy learning friends. Bye bye.